it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking to resurrect your clothes from pill death, then you need to check out this fabric shaver from INTEAN. I was about ready to get rid of these clothes because they've started looking so shabby and tacky with all the pills. This is one of my husband's favorite sweaters. He wears it several times a week. It's 68% cotton with some other blends as well. And once I used the fabric shaver on it, I couldn't believe how much better it looked. I use this on different clothing items, including ones with wool blend, and it just really made them look so much better. I even used it on some of my cushions on the couch that had started to develop pills as well, and it took it off really nicely. The battery life on this is impressively long. It takes about 15% to do a sweater. Now keep in mind, I've never de-pilled these and we've had them for years. I also did have to empty the lint container a few times with each sweater. Now I noticed that it will stop working when it's gotten full, and then you just simply pry open the top, dump it out, then close the top, turn it on again, and let the machine kick out a little bit more lint and then empty it again. I really like that this has an easy to read display that shows you how much of a percentage you have left on the battery, and that it has 2 speeds, it shows you if you're in 1 or 2, and it has a lint roller that's so convenient because I'm constantly having to pick cat hair or little fuzzies off of my clothing. This also comes with a replacement lint roller and 2 replacement blades. Overall, I'm really pleased with how well this made my clothes look, how easy it was to use, how quiet it is, and just how well it works. And that's my point of view.